Welcome back to my channel. So first unboxing that I'd done outside was a Xiaomi Redmi and I really loved it. So I'm going to do another unboxing outside in the nature. So here we go. Today we're going to look at Motorola Moto G second generation. So this is not the first generation. This has a 5-inch display, a quad-core processor, and the 5-inch display is again 720p with a good PPI. If you can look at the box here, it's all mentioned. Let's just read this quickly. Moto G features a 5-inch display, HD display, stereo speakers. If you can see, there are 2 speakers at the face of the phone. Then you would also be able to see this quad-core Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 quad-core processor. Moto G delivers a lightning fast Android experience to enjoy Chrome, Google Maps, YouTube and more. So this side there is nothing, this side there's nothing. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. Now I have used the Moto X and I was really happy with it, and I bought this Moto G. Let's see how good it is. I've heard good reviews about this. Let's hope for the best. Here we go. Just give me 1 second. And here it is. Wow, look at it. It is gorgeous. I mean, if I look at the first Moto G, which was a smaller version of it, and this looks like an Moto X. It's beautiful. Look at the speakers. I thought there was a grill here, but this doesn't look like a grill. This is just something, it's just a design. Wow, this looks good. Then here's the back. As you can see, the chin dimple, sorry, not the chin dimple, the dimple is still there. The 8 megapixel camera with flash. Here's the micro USB. Here's the headphone jack, the mic, and another noise cancellation mic should be somewhere here. I guess it's not visible, but there is. Trust me, guys. So let's keep this aside and let's see what comes inside the box. I was quite disappointed by looking at this headset. I have a Moto X headset and that was awesome, and these look like some cheap headsets, but it's okay, at least they're giving something rather than nothing. And again, there is no USB cable. There is no USB cable, guys. Look at this, it's attached to the charger. Wow. Okay, so they have cheaped us. It's okay. It's a cheap phone, 13,000. You can't go wrong with it. And here is the manuals. No one wants to look at the manuals, so let's keep this again inside. So now let's look at the phone. So what do you get? A 5-inch 720p diagonal display. It has a front camera which has a 2 megapixel front camera, a an 8 megapixel back rear camera, and here you can see the volume rocker and the power button. So let's switch it on for the first time. I love the animation, the switch on animation on this phones. Powered by Android. So you're going to get Android L anytime once it is launched, because this is supported by Google. Look at the animation, I love it. And the display doesn't look bad at all. I mean, I've looked at the Moto X display. It has an AMOLED display. This is IPS and I can't find any difference in it. So let's just skip everything here. First have a look at the United States, United Kingdom. Let's keep United Kingdom. Start. There's no SIM card in it yet. Skip anyways. Okay, sorry. Let's skip anyways. Accept and continue. No, not now, maybe later. Wow. Okay, here is the actual phone. Let's have a look at the UI. So there's only one display here, so let's see what all comes with it. Okay, here's the widget, wallpapers. You can change the wallpapers. Here are all the Google applications. Then let's have a look at the menu. It is smooth. So there are no bloatwares by this company. They are very rare bloatwares. If you can see, there's alert, assist. I don't see anything else. And that's it. Wow, there's Moto Migrate. Okay, that's helpful. And here we go. Let's have a look at the settings. About phone, 4.4.4 version. This is the latest 4.4.4 Android KitKat. And the build quality is awesome, and it has water resistance, so it's a wonderful phone. So let's also look at the back cover of this. So when you open it, it's a bit of a hassle to open the back cover. You might get scared to clamp it off, but it is safe, trust me. If you see, I've just opened it for you, and here's one SIM, second SIM, and the micro SD card. Whoa, sorry, that thing's just fallen. It's alright. And there's no speaker grill because it's all in front. As you can see, this doesn't have an NFC. That was a bit disappointing for me, but that's okay. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, that's it. There's no other connectivity options in this. As you can see, you cannot remove the battery because this is a water resistant phone. So even if it's not actually a water resistant, that doesn't mean that you can just dive into a swimming pool with this phone. You can use this in a bare minimum rain, or if there's a splash of water on it, or if water spills on it, that's okay. It's spill resistant, not water resistant. So don't dive with your phone in a swimming pool, okay? That's just a warning. And now what else would you like to say? Let me have a look. Yeah, it's nice and sturdy. If you hold the phone, obviously Motorola always gives you a good feel with their phones. The back cover is a matte finish back cover, which is always good. And it has a micro USB, sorry, not a USB, what am I saying? It has a micro SIM slots. I don't see anything else that we can speak on it. So guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate your like, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.